Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'll show you guys how I prepare my hot pepper sauce in a very quick, easy manner. So I've got about 200 grams of pepper here, and I've already unplugged all the stems, so I'll just go ahead and unplug this last one, as you can see. Then we'll go ahead quickly and put our pepper into a pot. Then I've got 3 fresh chopped tomatoes that goes into the pot of pepper. I've got half paprika, chopped paprika, that goes into the pot as well. I've got a thumb-sized ginger and 3 garlic cloves here, all goes into the pot there. I've got 2 fresh chopped red onions that goes into the pot as well. I've got a handful of parsley and coriander that goes into the pot as well, and 1 seasoning cube to taste. I'll bring this to a boil for about 5 to 6 minutes. So I'll just add a pinch of salt and about 60 ml of water. Then we'll turn our stove on and bring this to a boil for about 5 to 6 minutes. Hi guys, let's quickly check our pepper. As you can see, the 60 ml of water, which is 1/4 of a cup, has dried up. So we'll turn off the stove now and allow the pepper to cool down, the pepper mixture to cool down. Then we'll move on to blending. Our pepper mixture has cooled down a bit, so we'll just go ahead now and blend everything up. And then we'll have a perfect pepper sauce without going through a lot of work. We'll go ahead now and blend. Let's go ahead and check. Voila, as you can see, our pepper mixture is ready. I'll just go ahead and pour this into a small bowl. Friends, as you can see, this is a hot chili sauce without any oil. If you want to store this a couple of days longer, you can add a tablespoon of olive oil, sunflower oil, any oil of your choice. That will keep your pepper fine for a couple of days. You can refrigerate as well. The remaining sauce, I'll just refrigerate that for another day or another time. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and click the bell so that you will be notified each time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. If you're a chili lover like myself, leave a comment down below. See you guys.